Okay guys, we're gonna fire up the Camp Chef smoker and we are going to use it. We're having breakfast for dinner, so we're attempting to make our entire breakfast on the Camp Chef. That ought to be fun. All right, we're cooking at 350 because that's kind of like a baking temperature. So first thing we want to do is put our bacon on the lower level. So when it drips grease, it won't hit our biscuits or anything else. So let's get the bacon on right now. Okay, so upstairs, up here, we're gonna turn that into one shelf. Then we're gonna throw this down here. This is gonna hold our sausage. So we're gonna bring those out right now. Lay those out. Then we're putting a silicone mat on this side. We got a mesh mat over there so that the smoke comes through on the sausage. Then we're going to take our biscuits and spread them out nicely on the silicone mat. So we got the biscuits, we got the sausage, and we got a huge lower level of bacon over there. And now I know what you're wondering. Where were you going to do the eggs? How are you going to cook the eggs in the smoker? We're going to cook the eggs over here on the flat iron griddle. All right, so what we're going to do on the flat iron grill is do our eggs and potatoes. So I got a little bit of old bacon grease that I've saved up. Just laid it out there, got the griddle heating up right now. And then we'll start the potatoes in a moment. My favorite kind of O'Brien potatoes are Arita. If you haven't had these are great. Look at that. We got peppers and onions. Delicious. All right, as you can see, they've gotten to a golden brown. It's time to take them off and get ready to do our eggs. Eggs are going to be our last thing we do. Squirrels need all that. As you can see, we put a little bit more bacon grease on the griddle, so it's getting like really hot. We've lowered the flame a little bit because we don't want the eggs cooking too fast. Let's put them right there right now. There we go. Okay, we may have got a lot of sausages here. We got one of those big family packs and we smoked them all. But you can see up close, they came up beautiful. And then you go over here to the O'Brien potatoes. They came out golden brown. We don't like them too overdone. They're still nice and tender. They're all cooked up. And then you shoot over to the eggs. Obviously the griddle was a little bit hotter than we wanted. So the edges got brown, but the yolk's all intact. They're beautiful. They taste like bacon because they were made in bacon grease. Then you shoot over to these biscuits, absolutely buttery already, and they're perfect. So there you go, guys. That's breakfast on the barbecue, and we are excited to have dinner.